Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of creating copy of a table. I hope you have practiced the previous one. So in this topic we will mainly focus on the last thing that we have seen, that creating copies of a table with either limited record or without any records. So again there are many ways to do it. See, even you can create a copy from another user. This is an interesting thing. Let me show you practically. So this was our table last time. Select star from student. We have created many copies of it. Now see the list of the table. Select star from tab. You can see there are many tables, but in these tables, these all are copy of the student. There are less number of records, and I want a table which has more records, and that table is my another user. So even I can create a copy from that another user, given that I am a admin user. Okay, so that we will learn in some other uh, video, but you should have a DBA rights that can again be given with grant, that you might have seen in the previous video of how to create a user in Oracle. So let us create a table. Even we can see the table of another user if this user has the permission. For example, there is a table called employee. Let me show you. Select star from EMP. What you can see, error has come. Table or view does not exist. But there is a user in my laptop called test. And in that user, there is a table called EMP. I can see it. Select star from test.emp. So now what you can see, again error is coming. So it might be possible that this user does not have any permission to see that table. Okay. So select star from test.student. Again it is giving error. So it means this user does not have any permission to view the table of that user. What is the name of the current user? Show user. You can see 2020. So we can give right to that user. So how you can give? Again connect with system, connect system, password, whatever the password, connected. Now what I can give? Grant DBA to MCA 2020. Okay. Now it is granted. Now you can log in with again with MCA 2020. Connect MCA 2020. Show user. You can see. Now select star from EMP. Right now it will give error because this table is not in this user. But now I will type select star from test.emp. So now you can see data has come. So this is an important lesson for you, that Oracle has number of security options and a user can see another user table if it has permission. Now why this data is coming in this format? You very well know, because of the page size. If I do set page size 100 and again I run this query, it will come in this way. Okay, so please remember that this EMP is not in MCA 2020, but still you can see it. So similarly, we can create a copy here also. Okay, how? Again, create table EMP as select star from test.emp. This is who is test? Test is a user. Okay, remember, table created. Now select star from tab. You can see EMP has come here. So now you can type select star from EMP. Data has come here. Let me show you that test user also. I have shown you earlier, but let me see it. Let me show you again. Test, whatever is the password, connected. Now you can see show user. User is test. Select star from tab. There can be many tables. Okay. So there are 165 tables in this user, and one of the table can be EMP. If we try to search it out, it can be found somewhere. It might be, yes, here it is, EMP. So this was the table whose copy we have made in this user. Okay, I think this concept is clear to you. So this was how you can create a copy of a table from another user. Okay, don't confuse with the name test. Okay, in my case, test is the name of the user, and you can even have the name as a table also as a test. Okay, that is not an issue. Oracle automatically checks that before dot it is username, after dot it is table. So there is no issue in that case. So we have seen this how to create copy. Now let us see another topic, that is how to create copy with few records. Now few records, although we have seen select star from EMP. Now I want to create its copy with less number of records. Okay. So now what I will do, select, what I will type, create table test 7 as select star from EMP where roll number, where EMP code is greater than 6. Okay. Now please remember that as soon as I enter, what will happen? See, creating a copy is in 2 steps. Step number 1 is, first of all, columns are created. Okay. Then records are copied as per condition. If you have given star, no condition is applied. If you have given condition, then condition is applied. So what will happen as soon as I will create, press enter here, what will happen? A copy name as test7 will be created with employee code, name, and manager and column as column. Okay, 4 column will be created. And after that, since we have given this condition, so what Oracle will do? Oracle will load all these record in RAM. It will point the pointer to the first record and it will check that is a EMP code greater than 6. In this case, no. Greater than 6, no. 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 Now here it will find yes, 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 yes. So these records will be sent into this table. Okay. So this is how one by one it is done. Let us table create. Okay. Select star, but it happens at a very very fast speed. Select star from test 7. Star, I have not put a star. Select star from test 7. You can see this copy has been created. Okay, but if suppose now there can be a question, what happens, what if we type rollback? Now let us try rollback. As you must remember that we have written create table, and although there are 2 steps, that first of all column are created, then records are copied. So column creation is a DDL and record copying is DML, but still the command is create table, so it cannot be rolled back. It's a complete DDL command and it is auto commit. So it does not mean that if you try to type rollback, then only column will remain and records will go. No. Let us see. Select star from test 7. It will remain. So it means this entire query is DDL and auto commit. Okay, it cannot be rolled back. Is this thing clear? Okay. So now you have understood that how to create copy with selected records. Even you can give some other options also. Although we will take up them in some other video, but let me show you a few. As select star from as select star from student EMP, where EMP code in, even you can type few record in, suppose 1, 6, 8, 11, 22. Whether they are present or not, don't worry about it. Copy it. Oracle will see which record matches these records. Again, same thing will happen. Select star from EMP. EMP will be, first of all, these four columns will be copied into test 8. This table will be created. Then Oracle will go to first record and it will check whether this roll number is in this group. Yes. It will go to 2. No. 3. No. 4. No. 6. 5. No. 6. Yes. 25. No. 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 When it will reach 8. Yes. 11 and 22. They are not there. So no effect. So let us see. Select star from test 8. This has been created. Okay. Now coming to the last part, that how to create a table without any record. Now I hope some of you might have understood how it will be done. Very easy. Create table test 9 as select star from EMP, where you give any certain false condition which can never be true. Where EMP code equals to -1111. Suppose. Now what will happen? Again same thing will happen. Oracle will open this table. It will copy its 4 records into test 9. Then it will go to first record and it will check that whether this EMP code is -111. It will not be matched. So none of the record will be matched. So what will happen? Select star from test 9. No record selected. But the table is there. Describe test 9. You can see. So here you can give any false condition. Okay. Or you can give a fallacy also. Fallacy means a condition which can never be true. Let us see. You can type something like this. Create table test 10 as select star from EMP, where 4 equals to 5. Now what will happen? This is always a false condition. So again select star from test 10. No row selected. Describe test 10. So the table is created but without any record. See again what will happen? Oracle will go to each and every record in EMP. But in every record it will try to find out is 4 equal to 5. Now this 4 equal to 5 is a false thing because 4 is never equal to 5. So automatically this condition is false. So whenever Oracle will reach to any record, this condition will always be false. So no record will be matched and no record will be copied. So this is a safe condition because it will never be true. This is called as fallacy. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Again, I request you to practice all the records, all the queries, and make notes in the comment. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in next video.